Number 5 is the LaView 4MP Bulb Security Camera. The LaView 4MP Bulb Security Camera is the most versatile and innovative security camera that can be easily installed in any apartment or other location. Its revolutionary design combines a 4MP HD image with starlight color night vision, ensuring clear details day and night. The 12 digital zoom capacity distinguishes it, providing greater clarity than typical 1080p cameras. With dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity at 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz, it provides improved Wi-Fi options for smoother camera performance. The LaView 4MP Bulb Security Camera is distinguished by its 355 degrees motion tracking capability, which detects and automatically follows things within a 17-foot range. Users can customize their tastes with configurable sensitivity settings, low/medium/high. The LaView app simplifies installation, ensuring the bulb camera has constant Wi-Fi access. With the capability for up to 20 concurrent users, this camera encourages multi-user sharing to improve flat security. Its Alexa connection offers another level of ease, easily merging with your smart home ecosystem. The ETL certification provides dependability, while the E27 bulb base, 110V240V, allows for easy installation. Because of its innovative, functional, and user-friendly features, the LaView 4MP Bulb Security Camera has become the finest apartment security camera. And if you like this security camera, be sure to check out the link in the description box below. After reviewing each of the 5 best security cameras for apartments in 2024, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. No matter what your surveillance needs are, one of these best security cameras should definitely fulfill them. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that your home or apartment is always protected. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.